Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to make blueberry dessert cup. This is a mouth-watering dessert that can be served on any occasion. It is very easy and simple to make. For 2 cups of dessert, take 1 container of blueberry, which is around 125 gram, 100 gram white chocolate, 100 ml whipping cream. Blend half a container of blueberries and set it aside. Take 100 grams of chocolate in a microwave-proof bowl and melt it in the microwave for 30 seconds interval, mixing in between to ensure the chocolate does not burn, or you can use the double boiler method to melt the chocolate and let it cool. Take the whipping cream directly from the fridge. Whisking slowly. Stop whisking as soon as peaks hold their shapes. Add the melted chocolate and mix gently. Afterward, add the blueberry puree and combine everything. Fill the whipped cream into the piping bag and pipe it into the glasses or cups just like this. Add a layer of fresh blueberries then pipe the cream on top of it. Garnish with blueberries. Refrigerate for approximately 1 hour before serving. Now look at this. Our mouth-watering and delicious blueberry dessert cups are ready. Please give this recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, please like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching my video.